everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So in this video I'm going to share my experience that how I am improving my English at home and how you can learn this language at home, how you can speak good English with yourself. And you don't go to outside to learn this language, because I know if I can learn this language at home, so you can also learn this language at home. What you have to do is, so you have to do only one thing in for your for your English journey. So what you have to do is, do you want to know the secret that what I am doing to improve my English? So watch this video till the end, because in this video I will share my experience that how I am learning this language and how I am improving, because it is very important to know what are the strategy we are using to learn this language and what you can to learn this language. Okay, so let's start the video. So here I would like to suggest you only one thing. When I started my journey, at that time I just go for a speaking part, because here I can say that I study in a nursery to 8th class in a private school, in an English medium school. So that's why I know some grammar parts, because when I were in first class, so there is some sentences teachers teach us. So that's why I know some sentences structure, so I don't have that much problem in that. Okay, and here I have to work on my sentence structure, because I don't know that much. But here I can say that what can I use in a daily routine, so that much sentences I know. And that's how I started my journey. So here I just want to say one thing to you. I know if you don't know the proper sentence structures, so you doesn't need to learn everything now. Just need to understand that you have to start your journey now. If you know your introduction, so you should start giving introduction to others, so it will be benefits for you, because when you are talking to other person, they will ask you your introduction first. So that's how you can learn this language. So what I did to learn this language, I just start speaking. I just start making conversations video, making with others. Directly I started to make conversations video, and you will see, when you will see my first video, in that video I was able to speak only. If you are asking me something, I know I can give answer in English, but some of I have fear that here there if I will make mistake, so what will happen? Maybe they will make fun of my English. That's why I was unable to speak in English. But now I can say to myself, yes, now I have that much confidence to speak with others, to give answer in English. So how it is possible? Just making conversations video. If you are beginner, if you want to learn this language, you just start making conversations video with others. Because when you are making conversations video, when you are talking them in English, so you will see in which area you have to work. Because before that I don't know where I have to work, but now I can say that proudly that in which area I have to work, and I am able to work. So that's why I am suggesting you, if you are a beginner, you want to learn this language, start making conversations video with others. And here I saw lots of women, they are making conversations video, they are learning this language because they want to give their children's English environment. So what is your reason? Please comments me in comments box, because I want to know what is your reason to learn this language. How did you start your journey? I start my journey with the speaking part. And how you are improving yourself, I want to know. Please comments me in the comment box that how I can improve my English, so that will help me to fluent in English, because it is my dream to speak in fluent. Oh, I hope this video you will like this video, and here I will upload more English conversations video. If you want to do conversations video with me, so you can message me, you can comments me. I will try to give you